How to lock your profile picture on Instagram. So if you want to lock your profile picture on Instagram as you do in your Facebook, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Instagram. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. Now from the profile, you need to tap on edit profile. After tapping on edit profile, you need to tap on the profile picture. Once you tap on the profile picture here on the bottom, you will have your avatar and your profile picture, right? So if you don't want other people to open up your profile picture or zoom in your profile picture, then you just need simply go with your avatar and you need to tap on add to profile picture. After tapping on add to profile picture, then it will show your avatar than your profile picture. So that's the only way to lock your profile picture on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.